See in 100 seconds, Typedef. Typedef gives an existing, type a new name. Int becomes score. Char star becomes string. Same type underneath, better readability on top. Combine it with struct, and you get a clean custom type. Student has a name and a grade, both using our new type names. The real power, function pointer typedefs. That ugly syntax with stars and parentheses becomes a simple one-word type. Two functions that take two ints and return an int. Both match the mathop signature. Score works like int. String works like char star. The compiler treats them the same. Student is a full type now. Initialize with curly braces, access with dot. Mathop holds a function. Pointed at add, call it. Pointed at mul, call it again. Same variable, different behavior. Score 95, student Alice. Add gives 7, mul gives 12. Typedef made all of it cleaner. Next up, function pointers.